Hello friends, hello guys, how are you guys doing? So guys, it is another good day here in Kenya, which is the eastern part of Africa. How are you guys doing? So guys, it's another great day here and I'm here with another video. So guys, I apologize, I haven't been posting for some days. I wasn't feeling well, as you can hear the way I'm talking. You already know. So yeah, that's why I wanted to do a video today. And so please, if you know you're new, but first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who has been supporting my videos from the beginning. We are almost there. So guys, if you are new, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification so that you'll be notified every time my new video pops up. So guys, on today's video, Maya, what are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? We are going to do a cooking video. What are you going to cook? What are you going to cook? You have forgotten? Ngoku nitangu aje kwa kizungu? Tell them, what are we going to cook?
Chicken and ugali.
Yes, emphasize on organic chicken. So guys, I'm be doing a cooking video today. I know someone asked me on a live, I don't remember which day was it, and they wanted me to do a cooking video. How we prepare organic traditional, okay, it's a traditional food in Kenya, chicken and ugali, which is the staple food of Kenya. So yeah, let's get on the video. And I have the entire gang over here who want to say hi. My niece Maya, say hello. Tell them hello and welcome to the channel.
Hi,
what are you drinking? Tell them what are you drinking.
This is porridge.
It is called porridge?
Yes.
Yeah, it is called porridge, guys. It looks like this. It's made from finger millet. And it is super healthy to drink. And my mom is over here. Mom, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
That's my mom, guys. And my sister. I'm sure she can introduce herself. And tell them what are you eating.
Hello guys, I'm Kani's sister and I'm eating a purple. Mnaitanga?
A pawpaw or whatever.
Pawpaw.
It is a pawpaw, guys. It's a fruit. Super healthy too. And that's me. I want to show them my outfit. So so let's get on the video. And guys, we are going to do our family challenge. Do you see, we have a lot of chicken. So whoever catches the chicken first, he or she is the one who is going to eat the drumstick. So I want to see who can learn faster than me. And okay. So guys, let me show we call chickens here so that they come to you. They're not coming. And you use something like this to cut them. Oh, they're not coming. Come here. Come. Hey. See them, they are coming, guys. If you get something like this and you produce this kind of a voice. See, they are coming. And we are going to choose one of these. One of these, I'm going to get one of these. And I'm choosing, obviously, the big one. This one. This one is what you're going to get. So whoever catches it first, it's the drumstick. See, they're super organic, guys. We do feed them here. We don't feed them. As you can see, I'm feeding them maize. Maize. And where is everyone? Maya, where is your mom? And Shosho. So guys, I'm going to see who can learn faster than me. I'm going to make sure that I hear the drumstick. You see? When they see someone, they follow them. Guys, my mom cheated. cheated. My mom cheated. You see? Oh, now my mom is the one who is going to. Maya, how are we going to compete now? And my mom has already gotten the chicken. You should keep it down. Then we catch it the right way. Where's the hen gone? Is it a hen or it is coming? So, whoever catches it fast. Yoka water. You have to catch it, Maya. I'm the only one competing. If I get it, I'm the one who is. Nice boy in a elephant band. So guys, the chicken has gotten smarter. We're having a hard time catching it. We need some chicken meat. Chicken. I hope my mom gets it. Oh, the drumstick is gone, guys. See? We got it, but I won't get the drumstick. My mom has won. Oh, I'm so sorry, chicken. Oh, she go need chicken. Nione saindi ingine. So guys, we have finally gotten it. My mom has won. What's wrong with you, chicken? It is so big. See guys, so big, super huge. So guys, you know the next step, but not that good at doing that process, so I'm going to hand over to my mom. As my mom is going to do whatever, I'm going to get some tomatoes. So guys, for the new ones, welcome to my garden. Let's go and get some tomatoes. The benefit of doing what? Having a kitchen garden light at home. So this is my garden for the new ones. It is coming along. As you can see, the kales, the arrowroots, the spinach. But I'm not doing a gardening video today. So let's go and get some tomatoes. See, Maya niletea kuweka nyanya. So guys, niletea kuweka nyanya. Kale kakodiko, ambia shusha kupe. So guys, these are our tomatoes. See, we have some live, some more live over here. Can you see? I hope you can see. This one is a live one. So you're gonna get some from here, and as you can see, most of them I'm about to live, but I won't get all of them. I still have some I have already harvested. As you can see, this one okay. So I'm going to put over here. So let's get some tomatoes. The benefit of what? The fruit of handwork. So yeah, I'm super excited to do this. See, I don't have anything to cut with, so I'm just gonna get it like this. And we have another one over here. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry guys, I have a code. See, a nice looking tomato. And should we get some more? But this one, let them to ripen by themselves. Let's see if we have another one over here. And guys, see, the coriander are coming around. They have germinated, as you can see. And we planted some green onions, but they are not. And the green onions, as you can see, I haven't told you, we planted some more things. The green onions and the corn has already germinated. So should we get another tomato over here? Or should we leave them to first do what? Ripen? I guess we should leave them. I should get them some other time. So I still have some in the house. So let's just get this one to hand to the Lord. And yeah, let's go and prepare chicken, guys, how we do it here in the countryside. So yeah, and please like, comment and subscribe. So guys, and the process continues. So we already shikama. So guys, we have look the way huge it is. He's so Maya. He's so big. See, so big. Chicken from Africa, guys. And we're gonna dip it into the water. Warm water. It is warm water, guys.
Kanana tutashinda na wewe.
Yes. Enda at a distance between vizuri. Ile Maya endiaka kuweka bean for putting the feathers. Bean ya kuweka madagu.
Umeanza kuona? Ngoja na mimi.
Nafinya hapa mama. Sinakwambia ile ari
sasa.
Bean ya kuwekira mate. There Sky. Show them Sky is running. Sky, we are cooking some chicken.
Sky anakimbia.
Sky, come we cook some chicken. Come here. Come here and see some chicken. So guys, you dip it. Now come closer. Can you see me full? So guys, we're gonna pull the feathers out, and Sky is making a lot of noise and is not helping. My mom is saying we put the eggs. Ooh, and the water is so hot, like very hot. Can't very put like this. Can't this side. Then you pull like this, Maya. You know how to pull, and you put it here so that we don't dirtify the place. Yes. Sky is not helping. Sky is not helping.
You wash.
You watch out, kuna moto Maya.
Unajua. Kuna moto. Mguu.
Ikira madhagundi anakenda yoro. Madhagundi ajo kiri teguro kenda yoro au menyokura. Ndio pande sote.
nilikuwa inasema itachukua.
It was refusing to be magic sky.
Chukua
Sky.
Say hi.
Hey, Sky cannot speak Maya.
Kama tunaongeanga kwa watu. Mafi, kuni mafi. Kanana pani unachinja ndio unachinja.
Tu. Hoja likienda katika hicho.
Yeah. So guys, my mom is going to continue helping me, and so guys, my mom is continuing to remove the feathers as I go and prepare the vegetables, guys. I'll be cooking ready with some veggies so that you have a balanced diet. So let's go and get some veggies. We have things to do today, guys, and don't forget to like, right? Don't forget to like, and most of all, please subscribe. We need to get this channel monetized. So look, guys, the chicken is so big, so big and so huge, and organic, guys. Sky, you're not helping us and you're meowing for chicken meat, huh? Hey Sky wants some chicken meat. Let me go and prepare some vegetables. Guys, my mom is saying that it is very easy to remove this because we have, if you dip it into hot water, it will be easy. So how far are you? And you Sky, you want some chicken? And guys, here I have the vegetables and here the coriander, guys. Unfortunately, mine are still germinating. So I need to go to the grocery and buy some coriander, unfortunately. And I also have some kales. You remember me telling you about this? This one are called Skuma Wiki. I don't tell anyone to like corn. So yes, they look like this. They're the same. They look the same as the ones the ones that are planted in my garden. So I'll be cutting these, and I want to buy some to get some capsicum, the green pepper, but I couldn't find them because, well, it is not a market day yesterday, and in the grocery shop on the market I couldn't find any coriander or any capsicum. So unfortunately there won't be any capsicum on the meal, but we still got everything. I have some kales here that I'll need to cut, and these are the tomatoes from my garden, guys. If you don't know, these are from my garden, and yeah, I think that will be enough for, we are cooking it as lunch. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. So let me continue chopping the vegetables, and I'll show you how far we are going. So we are almost there. See guys, super huge, big chicken. Is it the same? Iko kubwa sana ama ni average? It is average. How should I help you? Let me help you. See guys, we are very huge. So this one would cost something like, how much would it cost in the butchery? I think more than 1,000. So in dollars, how many is it? How many dollars does 1,000? Okay, you divide by 1.6. You get how many dollars that is. Maya, stop it. Acha Maya. So guys, we are washing. You need to wash it first. Oh yeah. So now we need to make a thumbnail. So I'm going to cut it. So, so Put them up, you wash that. So I'm we are washing the gizzard, guys, and you can see the chicken was super fat. Is it fat or what? As you can see, there's a lot of fat over here. So the soup is going to be gravy. And let's wash this one now. No. It's also done. Those are the brand. Ooh. Oh, the liver.
Inazima ama kunaenda aje hii mtaa?
Ile eliminate nani ile?
No, function. Wewe ni kare tema.
Hey, you know I'm going to translate if you don't speak in English. Liver. My sister want to eat liver. We need to sit down, ma.
I don't know how to speak in English.
How can you say you don't know how to speak in English and our official what? Official language is what?
Kimeru.
No, official language is English.
That's your official
and
language.
And you went up to college and you're saying you don't know how to speak in English. How can you say that?
What is this?
That one is kidneys. Those are kidneys. You can show them like something like that. There's going to be corn grass. But no. What? Why should I? Oh, so we need to wash. I wash. So you put the water inside. Can you see me full? Like that. You need to wash it better to remove the whatever. Hi. Now it's time for chopping. Hey, it is okay. So now, what? I remove the water.
Yeah, I'm
going to cut big chunks. So we need to cut like here, but you're going to have like big chunks. I know someone who loves to eat the legs. Who is that?
Me, of course.
No. So guys, we have like this habit in our family. My mom usually knows who does eat what. So my sister, I know she eats the chicken end, and me, I eat one of the thighs. I usually eat one of the thighs and the neck part. I know my mom usually gives me something like that. And who loves to eat the wings? Ma, you're the one who usually serve for us.
Maya.
And my mom usually eat after we are done. Mabaki. Leftovers. Yeah, that's my. Sorry guys. So you saw from the challenge, my mom was the one who won the challenge. So all the thighs are his.
Us.
Oh yeah, I've forgotten. Sorry guys. English is that language. It's not my first one. No. You can cut or you can keep it like that. But the thigh should be.
I Ringo. I Sky.
They want some chicken and you're not giving them some chicken.
Then I must bet the chicken again.
You can't say that.
Huh?
And you cut that.
I mean 11%.
Stop. 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 Eta kuruka tu eto change.
No, I go stop there.
Enyo we go.
Paru naruki.
Niko nani ino ule fal?
Ina 7%.
57%.
Awanya muigwita ita.
Oh. Guys, I'm teaching my mom how to record. So this one are the sukuma wiki. Can you see me full, ma?
Huh?
Or I go the other side. It is
what?
recording rent. Mom, go the other side so that you can see me well. Chuka kitu. So guys, this one are corn, the sukuma wiki. In Kenya, it's Swahili. So guys, for those who don't know, in Kenya we speak 3 languages. 2 are national languages like Kiswahili and English, and our local language, which is Kimeru from our tribe. So this one is called sukuma wiki. It is called sukuma wiki because in English it is like what is sukuma wiki in English, ma? Pass the week, something like that, because you can eat it like often. And this is what I used to eat when I was in campus, guys. I used to eat a lot of this because it is easily available, and I like eating it more than cabbage, so I prefer this one more. So that is what I'm going to cook as a side dish or a side whatever, and just some vegetables to be there so that we're gonna have a balanced diet. So I'm going to, you can still cook this one, but as you can see, the sukuma wiki, it is so big, so I'm reducing it so that I'm be able to hold as I cut. So I'm just do this. And so guys, tell me, are these one the cows I hear the white people hate? Are these one cows? Are they the same? Do the cows look like this, like sukuma wiki? Because I can't differentiate between sukuma wiki and cows, but I see I watch a lot of gardening videos, and I think they are smaller than this. They're smaller than this one, are a bit large, as you can see the sukuma wiki. So I don't know if it is a variety of it, I don't know. So guys, you tell me on the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Someone, do you want to say something? Do you think I'll be able to cook the chicken, and you think I don't know how to cook? My mom does not want to comment if I do know how to cook. I don't know how to cook, even though I don't cook a lot. As you can see, we are a lot in our family. Like I'm the second born from the last. So if my mom is there and my older sister is there, so they are the one who do a lot of cooking. So I know how to cook, but I do pretend that I don't know how, so that I won't be told to go to the kitchen and cook. So you better be clever. If you don't say like that, you'll be told, go and cook for us, go and cook for us. You do cook delicious for us. So yeah. So today I'll be trying to cook ugali, but I already cooked ugali before. Sindio, ma? Yes. We did a video with my mom before you got the camera. We are cooking ugali, and we forgot to take the part where you put the unga. The unga is the flour, guys, the maize flour. When you put it into the boiling water, we lost the crepe, so you couldn't see it well. But this time I'm going to do it better. So I have my coriander over here, and just keep this one, the maize flour. So some of people are telling me that is how you cook tortillas. Is it tortillas? My Spanish people, how do you cook tortillas or something like that? Use flour, right? So I don't know if it's the same as the flour for cooking ugali. I don't know. You tell me on the comment section. Maria Yoranda, you should tell us if you but unfortunately no, Maria doesn't know how to speak in English. So if I speak in English, she won't understand. So yeah, if you know how to cook tortillas, it is I think Spanish food, you tell us on the comment section. So let me continue chopping the what, because I don't have anyone to engage a conversation with. I'm just talking with you because my mom is adamant to speak. Ma, you don't want to speak. I'm going to speak alone. So guys, I'm going to wash my mom does not want to wake up to stand up. So guys, if you, because this one are not organic, the sukuma wiki, I don't know if they are organic because I bought it from a neighbor, but that's why you need to wash, because you never know if he or she sprayed before, so you better wash. So you wash like this. And you are stealing a neighbor's water, ma, and you forgot to cross.
Aye.
You forgot to connect the pipes. This is the good enough, Mark. So let's connect the water. So you have a self-clean sukuma wiki. And there is Sky. So guys, how is the video so far? I've just completed chopping the sukuma wiki. And guys, I don't know why I'm the only one person who has the love of cutting any vegetables here. You see, I already have a breast over here. So let's go and check on the chicken so far. Sky, you want to say something? No, let's go. So I'm actually cooking outside, so let's go and check. I won't show you the process of lighting fire because I know. Hey, and the gang is eating what? And here there, Moja and Ringo, hello. So guys, we're actually cooking outside. As you can see, this is the fireplace, and so this is first we're gonna boil. Guys, I apologize because of my voice. First we need to boil the meat because the cock was like old, more than 1 year. So I don't know how old it is, but the meat is gonna be rough if you don't pre-boil before. So that's why we are boiling, so that you can get chicken soup also. You can get the soup from the chicken meat, then you're gonna fry it right out. So yeah, we are boiling the chicken, as you can see, and this is how we cook here, guys. And because it's big, don't mind the cooking pot as far as it can cook. And this is how we usually cook, like in Africa, for those who are not fortunate enough to have the cookers. That is guys. So we're gonna give it some time so that you're gonna boil until it is super soft, and we're gonna continue with the video, guys. So please make sure to like, comment, and also forget to subscribe if you're new. Please do subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 so that I can monetize my channel. We are 4 months old now, so we are almost there. I appreciate because my other channel, I got it monetized after maybe more than a year. So this one I know you're gonna get it monetized sooner. So please, you know the tingle, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me how is the video so far. So yeah, let's go for a break. So guys, let's check on the meat, chicken. So guys, it's been boiling like how many hours, ma? Can you recall? 2 or 1. So guys, we are boiling so that it can be soft, and let's leave it for some more, half an hour, and let's see if it will be soft enough. So yeah, as you can see, that's the soup, guys. Chicken soup. I don't know if you cook like this in your own place, but that's how we get the chicken soup, and the smoke is unbearable. Sky is not even Sky. Oh, Sky. Oh, you are cute. Ringo. So guys, as we wait the chicken to continue boiling, let's go and cook the veggies. I don't know if I'll show you the veggies. If I do that, I think the video will be too long. How do you think? What do you think? The video is going to be too long, or should I show you? It's just the normal way of frying like vegetables. Just a minute and you remove. And here is Sky chilling. Sky, look at the way you're sitting. So guys, for those who don't know who Sky is, I have another channel for my cat. He's called Sky. So I'll put the link below in the description, so if you want to check it out. So yeah, let's go. So guys, the meat cook, let's cook the veggies. And I have the entire gang over here. Look at Ringo and Sky, and this is the mother to Sky, Ringo, and all other kittens. This one is the oldest. Down to the rainbow. First the onions, Sky. I prefer you to have the tomato paste, but because we didn't have one, now we add the veggies. So here are the veggies. You just scoop and you add here. You do like this so that. This one was not well cut. And this is the sukuma wiki, guys. So I used to eat this a lot when I was in campus some months ago. You eat with ugali, you eat with rice, you eat with gideri. Gideri is maize and beans, guys. Maybe you've seen me do a video on that also on this channel. So it and everything. Oh, the smoke. So guys, as this one cook, let's go and do what? Remove this one from cooking, because I think it is already you can just remove it now and cook ugali. Then you're gonna fry this one later on after the veggies are cooked. So look guys, I can see the chicken and look. So guys, we don't remove anything. We eat even the hand, even the legs. So if you know you don't eat those, you're missing a lot, guys. So tell me, do you guys when you buy the chicken, do you buy even the hand and the feet also, because they're also edible and they usually have a lot of meat. I actually love eating the legs. I don't know. You tell me in the comments. So do you love eating chicken and the chicken legs? Or you prefer just the drumstick and the chicken wings and the chest? The chest part. So we're gonna this is our we're gonna put water for cooking ugali now. So for those who don't know ugali, what is ugali, I'm going to show you what is ugali. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Tell me how do you like the video? How is the video so far? And what should I change? What should I improve on? You tell me on the comment section. So yeah. So we're gonna put, guys, I'm so tired. We're gonna handle water for cooking ugali until when it is brown, then I'll show you how we cook it here in Africa. So yeah. So guys, you want water in a cooking pot like that. Then you wait for some, I don't know, it depends on because you're using the wood, I can't tell you how long you should wait, but when the water starts to boil, then you want the flour. I'll show you. Chicken soup. Look at that, guys. Oh, the smoke is killing me. And the veggies are deep there. Oh, And the alindi, I think is also this one alindi guys. So they look like this guys, super delicious. I like eating sukuma wiki. So yeah. So when this is done, let's cook ugali and I also want to try the soup guys. Cross funga me.
Siko ya.
So we cook. I want to try the soup guys. The chicken soup. What Inali? What is it? So guys, the importance of having free range chicken in your place. When you feel like eating chicken, you just learn and catch one. You choose one and you sit and eat. So you want to eat what? My sister is asking if when one want to eat a cow meat, what should you do? Should we go and chase the beef meat? It's also the same. So it is from a cow. So she's asking if where is the soup? I want to try the soup. Yeah. Oh my god, the smoke guys. So here we have the chicken soup. It is pretty healthy to drink, so I'm just gonna go in and drink as we eat the other phone to get ready. Delicious. Look guys, let me show you. Chicken soup. Guys, once the water is boiled like that, now the new process begins. Let me show you. So this is the flour, and you put everything inside. Like you pour everything in, then you wait it to boil a little bit. I still remember. So you told me to wait until it boils. Should we cross or we wait? Onyeshe. I can see something in.
What a character. What Tira más, se chiquiapo. Nè kìa. Cái bộ chúng nó cũng gần với đi.
So guys, that is how we cook ugali. My mom is helping me out. I'm super tired. So that is how we do it. You use a lot of energy, but I'm tired. So you scoop like that. You do it like that.
I do that.
Then you flip, and it is too. So guys, now let's fry the chicken, but I'm gonna use the gas. It is faster, so let's just use this one. And is there? So guys, the ugali is ready. The veggies are ready now. Let's fry the chickens. And yeah, you want me to show you the ugali? I forgot to take the part when I didn't take. I think I didn't take. So let's prepare the coriander, the tomatoes, and fry. So guys, now you have the chickens and shikama. Means of friend, I'm going to burn everything. I should dance, you know. And our chicken rice. Ooh, look at the drumstick, so big. So I should kufunga. Or what am I supposed to do? So here guys, we have the chicken soup. Look at that. It is not even that oily. And let's continue frying this one. Then I will add the onions, and what is really I couldn't find the what do you call them? The capsicum, the green peppers, but huh? Oh, wait. There is soup inside. So let's prepare the tomatoes and I'll show you guys. So let's add the onions and my mom knows how to do it better. Oh, did you believe that? Oh, I didn't know. Are you close? Okay. Look at that, guys. The gravy. What do you call this? Is it the gravy or how do you call that? It looks so nice. So let's add the coriander, the chicken in. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. This should be mine. Look at the gravy. I don't have the spoon. Where is the spoon? I can show you. Yeah, get too close. Oh, this one. Look at that. Oh, the smoke, guys. Look. Let's wait for it to cook for some time after adding the coriander, and then we're gonna enjoy the food, guys. Just look at that. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the coriander. I love the coriander, not the coriander, but the capsicum, green pepper. So this is just onions and the coriander. So yeah, and the smoke, guys. The effect of cooking with the firewood, you have to bear the pain of smoke. The smoke. Look at that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Then drumstick. Okay. Oh, there are two. Look at that. Then we add the coriander. The coriander. Let's remove this one. Scoop, scoop, scoop. So guys, we usually cook like 2 chickens, but because we are a big family, but well, I guess that won't be enough for us. It's just lunch. It's not like, you know, something special. So I think one big chicken will be enough for us. The 6 of us. We are 6 in our family, including my niece. So yeah. So let's wait for it to boil for some minute until the coriander lady what? Then we're gonna serve. And our food is ready, guys, so let's serve. I'm just gonna put everything on this. I hope I know how to do the representation. My own design. Can you see me full? Guys, look at that. And the chicken end. Sky. Man, don't take sky. No, stop. Achana nayo tu. Achana nayo, baraka isiingie kwa sahani.
Hey. Itore kirie.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. I just can't wait to try. So now let's serve for myself and do the tasting. So yeah, that is our chicken. Now we cook chicken here in the countryside. Our recipe. So yeah.
Ayo mbakora akore jaga ndi. Oh, ole ndan ko yukio ite.
Look, guys, my share, and my mom was okay. What do I say? Was good enough to give me one of the drumstick because I failed the challenge. And this is my lunch, guys. It is already past lunchtime, but I think it is not. It's called late dinner. Oh, I don't remember what the name is called, but this is it. This is ugali. This is the vegetables, and this one is the chicken. So guys, that was the video. So I'm going to do the testing, and we just look at that. Oh, super delicious. Look at that. Big and yummy. So guys, let me show you we eat ugali. If you come to Kenya and you want ugali, we eat it with the hand. You scoop it like this. You take a small bit of it. You take the vegetables. This one I call this sukuma wiki. Then you take a small piece of meat, but I won't do that. Then you yummy guys, and give it 3 points out of 5. So that's all from this video. How was the video, guys? Did you like the video? If you didn't, leave me a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe so that you can get our channel monetized. And I apologize for my voice today, guys. So that's all for today's video. Bye from Kani. Bye, and see you on my next video. I'm actually going to do a live now, but I think I'll post this video tomorrow on Monday, depending on the time you're going to see this video. So bye, and see you on my next video. And yeah, let me continue enjoying my drumstick. Alright, hivyo tu.